On the currency market, analysts have noted an unexpected and hardly explicable situation. The fact is that traders are a bit puzzled and do not understand in what direction to trade. That's why they are likely to remain cautious until the publication of important data, which will be deeply analyzed to develop a new trading strategy. On the trading chart, we see that the euro-dollar pair stagnated within the sideways channel at the level of 1.09. If the price slides below this level, traders may start opening short positions with the targets at 1.0864 and 1.0742. However, sellers prefer to remain cautious as the pair has some reasons to rise, while experts and technical analysis just monitoring the situation. Those who prefer fundamental analysis got focused on the interest rate disparity and differences in the rhetoric of the central banks of the Eurozone and the United States. Today, the Eurozone issued preliminary inflation figures for December. Economists had expected an acceleration in consumer price growth to 3% per annum. However, inflation grew by 2.9%, and this is the first jump since April, which was caused by base effects, including energy prices. The fact that inflation in the Eurozone resumed rising could be considered a signal for the ECB to keep the key rate at a high level or raise it even more. However, the regulator may ignore this fact, as inflation growth may mainly be caused by high energy prices. Thus, hopes for the key rate cut are still alive. By the way, today traders are also waiting for the publication of the US employment figures. According to the forecast, the labor market may show some signs of a cooling. In this light, traders may resume speculating about the possible key rate cut by the Federal Reserve. Thus, in turn, could encourage sellers of the greenback, and the trading chart of the pound-dollar pair reflects the traders' unwillingness to buy the US dollar. The quote does not fall despite overbought conditions. If the price climbs above the resistance level of 1.2695, it may surge to 1.2787 and 1.2817. How will going to be in the short term in financial markets? We will definitely tell you in our next news releases. Subscribe to the channel and follow news with us, and see you soon.